Microsoft wants you to stop talking to your AI assistant and start giving it orders. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Microsoft is trying to pace up in the AI arms race as it unveiled Copilot Tasks, a set-it-and-forget-it AI system designed to kill the digital busy work that eats your day. Microsoft AI chief Mustafa Suleyman didn't mince words on X when he said that this is AI that talks less and does more. No coding, no complex setups, just pure automation. While ChatGPT and Claude are busy writing poems, Copilot Tasks is clocking into work. This isn't a chatbot, it's a cloud-powered digital employee. Give it a goal in plain English, and it runs in the background on Microsoft's massive infrastructure until the job is done. But what can it actually do? Microsoft's preview list is a procrastinator's dream. Like if you're apartment hunting, it can monitor listings weekly and automatically book your viewings. Now you don't have to clean your inboxes. It'll find your urgent emails, draft the replies, and unsubscribe you from every annoying promo list you're on. Copilot can be your study buddy and turn a messy course syllabus into a full-blown study plan with practice exams in seconds. And it can even scrape your inbox to build professional presentations while you grab coffee. Microsoft knows giving an AI the keys to your life is a big ask. And that's why the system's hardwired to request permission before taking meaningful actions, like hitting send on a payment or a sensitive message. Currently, Copilot Tasks is locked behind a private research preview, but a public waitlist is officially live. The agentic AI era is arrived, and it's looking to put your busy life out of its misery. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates.